Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing today?
Fine, Alhamdulillah.
What are you doing at ACE Nasir?
Sir, I'm learning spoken English.
And are these your friends?
Yeah, meet my friend Wasim.
Hi.
And the second one is Ashjad.
Hello. How are you, Asjad?
I'm learning English.
Okay, great. How are you? Are you fine?
Fine.
Okay, wonderful. So, Nasir, what time is it?
Sir, 6 a.m. in the morning.
6 a.m. in the morning. What
Yeah.
makes you come here at 6 a.m. in the morning?
We, at that time, the mind is fresh and we can learn things quickly.
Okay.
We
Gr-
come 6 a.m. in the
Great.
morning after.
Great. Could you just tell me something about yourself and ACE?
I have joined this ACE Institute 1 month ago, and I'm going well with the English, and I've built up my grammar, and inshallah I will try to speak in English fluently, and it's a very good institute for the other students like who want to learn English but they can't spend that much money. So, and the sirs are also good, the teachers are good, and this is a very good institute. I prefer to all the students who want to learn English.
Great. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Okay, guys. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.